Hey my dinos, thanks for joining me for another episode of Shapes. Did you know that sea levels have changed in the past? During the last ice age, so much water was trapped in icy glaciers that the sea level dropped by as much as 390 feet. That's 120 meters. That's about as tall as a building that's 40 stories high. Long before that, the sea level was actually much higher than it is now. It was as much as 230 feet higher. There are parts of the land today that used to be far beneath the ocean's water. Isn't that an interesting fact? Okay, dinos, are you ready for your worksheets? Okay, let's do this. First, let's write our names. I chose blue to write my name. What color did you choose? Oh, that's such a great color. Now let's read the directions. Color the shape that is similar. One more time. Color the shape that is similar. Now to the right, you'll see the star. You tell me if they are similar. This one? Nope. This one? Nope. This one? Nope. This one? Nope. This one. Yes, great job, dinos. Now do you see what we are doing? Okay, color in your star. Let's do this again. This one, this one, this one. Does this one look similar? This one? How about this one? And this shape? This one? And this one? Great job! Grab your crayons, dinos. Color in that star. Let's go again. This shape? How about this one? And this one? Yes, great job, dinos. Color in that star. Let's keep going. How about this shape? And this one? How about this one? And this one? How about this? Yes, great job, dinos. Color in that star. We're almost done. This shape? This shape? How about this one? Yes, great job, dinos. Color in that next star. Now that you're getting the hang of it, how about this one? Oh, great job, dinos. Now color in that star. Okay, we're almost done now. This one? How about this shape? And this one? How about this one? Oh, it seems to be it. This is how many shapes did you color? Let's read it one more time. How many shapes did you color? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job. Grab a crayon and write the number 6. I'm so proud of you, dinos. You did such a great job. Now let's not forget to color in Mr. Star. I'm going to color Mr. Star yellow. What color are you going to color Mr. Star? Oh, that's a great color. Did I mention that I'm so happy that you join me every week for a brand new episode? My dinos are getting so spectacularly smart. Now we're finishing up the arms. There's Mr. Star shooting across the screen. Great job, dinos. Look at your shapes worksheet. It's great. I can't wait to see you next week. Bye, my dinos.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!